Hello, this is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello with your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, June 5th. We're plenty to talk about here this morning, including a severe thunderstorm risk on Thursday, particularly in the afternoon and early evening hours. And we're looking for the potential for large hail, damaging winds, and possibly even a tornado on Thursday as a strong cold front blasts through the area. Behind that cold front on Friday, we're going to be looking at a significant cool down along with windy conditions that will cause chop on area waterways and perhaps some difficult driving conditions. In addition to that, we could be seeing some higher elevation snow showers for Friday night, particularly over the central mountains, sawtooths, and the Continental Divide region. And for Saturday, we're going to be looking at near record cold high temperatures. Highs mainly in the 40s and 50s across the area, which is a 20 to 30 degree temperature drop from Thursday. And with that comes the potential for some areas of frost Saturday night into Sunday morning. Let's take a look at our satellite picture here this morning. You can see an area of low pressure just south of the Gulf of Alaska. This area of low pressure is going to move towards us and drag that strong cold front through us on Thursday. Breaking it down here by impacts for Thursday, again, those thunderstorms, we think that could potentially be the higher impact for the week. So we've got those covered in orange. And the greatest risks for the strong or severe thunderstorms is going to be from the Snake Plain east to the Wyoming border. Those windy conditions in its wake on Friday, and then the snow showers Friday night into Saturday. And not listed here, but the potential for that frost again on Sunday morning. Let's take you through the forecast radar now for Thursday and give you a sense of when those thunderstorms could really be an issue. So late Thursday morning, we begin to see some showers developing out ahead of the cold front. And here we are by 1 p.m. You can start to see now some isolated thunderstorms developing across the Snake Plain. And potentially, and especially by the time we get to 2 or 3 p.m., you can see these thunderstorms have organized into a line now here along the interstate corridor, and with some additional development as we go through the day. And you can see how that is forecast to progress as we get into the evening hours. And generally after 9 p.m., most of the thunderstorms should have come to an end, but there could still be a lingering thunderstorm or two later on into the evening. And then as we continue on through the frame here, even Friday morning, maybe some additional thunderstorms across the far southeast corner of the state. And eventually you can start to see the beginnings of those snow showers on Friday across the central mountains. So taking a look at the high temperatures for Thursday, ahead of the cold front, staying warm with highs well into the 80s across the eastern Magic Valley and Snake Plain. But don't get too used to that, because here's your high temperature forecast for Saturday. Again, mostly in the 50s across the Snake Plain, and significantly cooler than that across the higher elevation areas. Here's a look at those low temperatures Sunday morning, and the potential for frost is certainly there with a widespread low temperatures in the 30s for many valley locations. We talked about the wind gusts on Friday. You can see those here in the 35 to 40, possibly even 45 mile per hour range across the Arco Desert on Friday afternoon. Here's a look at the snowfall forecast for Friday night. You can see 1 to 2 inches of snow is possible across the higher elevations of the central mountains. In this example, we have Banner Summit and with 1 to 2 inches, and then farther east in the Island Park area, Targhee Pass with 1 to 2 inches of snow on Friday night. So certainly a big change expected. That'll conclude the briefing for today. As always, if you have any comments, questions, or feedback, we welcome those to the phone number or email address you see there. Thank you.